There is heightened concern from the commuting public after another Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC bus was damaged by fire last night. The bus fire is the third in less than a week and has forced the company to carry out an assessment of its fire prevention capabilities. The latest incident resulted in minor damage to the JUTC bus after it caught fire along Hope Road in St. Andrew. JUTC Managing Director Paul Abrahams says no one was injured in yesterday's incident.
We had a little small incident on Hope Road in which a hydraulic leak, it looks like a hydraulic leak, spilled some fuel on the turbocharger. It ignited a bit. No major damage. We were able to extinguish it very quickly. Investigations are undergoing, but there was no damage to the vehicle. No persons were injured at all. And the bus should be back in operation by possibly Sunday, latest Monday.
On Tuesday, a JUTC bus was destroyed by a fire near Halfway Tree in St. Andrew. The bus company suspects arson in that incident. Last week Friday, another JUTC bus was destroyed by a fire in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. That fire is still being investigated.